The topic for today is how to create chat folder in Telegram. Creating a chat folder in Telegram is a very good option or feature available in Telegram. When we have several groups in Telegram and many chats in Telegram, there might be confusions if all the chats are available in a single panel. It is very difficult to make sense of the various chats and declutter it. We are in need to organize the chats meaningfully. In order to organize these chats, chat folders can be used to categorize our Telegram chats into different labels. Telegram will do the job for us. Because of this, Telegram will get super clean. It become organized and easy to handle chats. We can create various chat folders on Telegram for our use. Steps to use chat folder in Telegram. After opening the Telegram application in mobile, click at the top left corner the hamburger menu. Then click Settings. In this, tap on the Folders menu. Then, click Create New Folder menu. Give a name to the chat folder like personal or work or unread, etc. Then, add chats that you want to include or present in that chat folder. Similarly, you can add the types of chats that you don't want to include or present under this folder. By doing this, Telegram will learn our preferences, and it will organize the chats accordingly. This will allow us to easier to use and manage Telegram. This is the procedure how to create chat folders in Telegram. Very easy to use. Please try this feature in your Telegram chats. Thank you. Hope you understood. Thank you again.